Stop scrolling. Does your shower head barely give any pressure, or the water just feels meh? Then you need this. This upgraded Magichome shower head is super easy to install, has amazing water pressure, and comes with 5 different spray modes, so you can choose exactly how you want your shower to feel. It also has a built-in filter to help reduce chlorine and impurities, making the water gentler on your skin and hair. Good quality, strong material, anti-clog design. Literally everything you want in a shower head. If your old one isn't doing the job, this is the upgrade you need. Buy now from Amazon through our website in TikTok, bio and YouTube description.